Traditionally, repointing is a slow and messy activity with mixed results. Often no more than just a thin layer cleverly hung on the surface of the existing mortar that rarely lasts longer than a few hard frosts. What's really needed is a new approach. An approach that will carefully control the raking, remove the dust, mix mortar of just the right strength, and apply it cleanly and consistently. A simple, practical and cost-effective solution to repointing. The gunpoint solution uses a combination of specialized equipment and technical expertise that ensures a consistently high standard of repointing. The first stage is to carefully rake out the old mortar to a proper depth, using a range of raking out tools manufactured to our own specification. They incorporate a dust extraction system to reduce the hazard to the operators and the general public, as well as any damage to the building. Not only does this tooling allow ordinary lime mortar to be raked out more effectively, it also enables us to tackle really deep raking and the removal of hard cement mortars with ease. But of course, even the most sophisticated technology is only as good as the person using it. So this is an area where Gunpoint pay particularly close attention, using carefully trained operators who know how to use the equipment safely without damaging bricks or stone. Raking out consistently and thoroughly every time. Once raked and washed down, the next task is to fill the joint cleanly and completely. And that's where the Gunpoint mortar pump comes into play. This remarkable machine, a patented British invention built exclusively by Gunpoint, is not restricted to using specialist grouts or pre-mixed mortars. It can pump any of the 11 standard mixes recommended by British standards, from a 1 to 3 cement mortar to a 2 to 5 lime mortar. Alternatively, we can use one of the new generation of ready-mixed mortars, which also have a guaranteed consistency and quality. The pumping action forces the mortar into the furthest recesses of the joint, filling it from the back forwards, which removes any chance of airlocks and ensures the new mortar keys in properly to the brick or stone. Our preference is for using local sounds to BS 1200 that match the colour and character of the original bedding mortar. And wherever possible, we like to grade our mixes with lime. All Gunpoint teams are trained to batch every mix accurately to ensure it's exactly the right strength and consistency. No admixtures are needed in the process, but any colorants, air entrainers, waterproofers or special bonding additives can be used if required. As the mortar starts to make its initial set, we strike the joint with one of our special jointing tools. The excess mortar falls away, and a simple brush down leaves the edges of the brick or stone free of any mess or spillage. As the mortar is struck by hand, any of the traditional finishes can be achieved, matching into the style of the building, old or new. In an area of the building industry where quality is often low, Gunpoint's unique combination of specialized equipment and thorough training has established a standard of workmanship unmatched by any other organization, enabling us to tackle the impossible jobs that most builders wouldn't want to entertain. With services available from a nationwide network of specialist teams, all of whom have a commitment to ensuring deep, clean and consistent repointing, offering a blend of experience and expertise with an emphasis on quality. Gunpoint, pointing the way forward in quality and service.